Okay, biking the Keys part 1. We just crossed US1. We're on the edge of Summerland Key, heading south. If you know what mile markers are, we are currently at mile marker 24 heading to mile marker 23. How's your day going? Next up is the Kemp Channel Fishing Bridge. Probably see some iguanas. There's a big parking lot. If there's lots of people, the iguanas already got scared and run off. Howdy, how are you doing? Looks like somebody's going fishing. Okay. Hello. Pretty hefty outgoing tide right now. Okay, there's our first scenic tour of a fishing bridge. That is the Kemp Channel Fishing Bridge. And right up here, just ahead of us, there's some of the wildlife you'll see around here. One time I ran over one of them big ones. But anyhow, mile marker 23 is ahead. Deciding whether to go down Spanish Main Drive and tour Cudjoe Key or cross the highway. There's a crossing coming up, but it looks like there's plenty of traffic today. Looks plenty busy. I think I'll head for the other end of the key. Yep, got a truck straight ahead. Definitely got to watch your P's and Q's at most of these intersections. Spanish Main Drive leading to the rest of the bike trail. There's one more place to cross that actually kind of sucks, because cars will always be in your way. cross it quick. If not, I'll just kill the video and put them back together when I get home. We left Summerland Key 10 minutes ago and we're 2.5 miles from there. Howdy. Okay, we're coming out back to US1. We're coming past the parking overflow for KOA. We'll be coming out at mile marker 20 and the Bow Channel Fishing Bridge. And that'll pretty much be the end of my video, because you've seen it all on the way down. I'm turning around, headed back. Again, to summarize, you got the bus stop on the left, not very far, couple steps. You got Mangrove Mamas across the street. We're at mile marker 20. We're gonna hit a headwind and we're gonna cross the Bow Channel Fishing Bridge. We're gonna be leaving Sugarloaf Key and entering Cudjoe Key. Ocean. KOA campground, marina. This is the fishing bridge. Can't be beat. See you later.